Hello, today I am going to show you how to make this simple faux stained glass. It's very simple, you don't need to draw the pattern yourself, so check the description box for the measurements and patterns. Let's begin by cutting the acetate to 76 millimeters by 46.5 millimeters. Remove the protective covering if there's any. Next, place the pattern on top of the acetate, picture facing down. Allow a 3 millimeters gap on both sides and on the top, then secure it with a tape. Next, using a fine line brush and using a light stroke, follow the line and paint it with a black enamel paint. A metallic silver paint would also be nice in this case. This is the most difficult part of this project because you really need to be careful not to put too much paint because it will blot or some of the lines become fatter than the other, as you can probably see in my work. After you have painted both of your windows or your acetate, let the paint dry. Again, and remember that if you are using enamel paint, it will take a while for the paint to completely dry. I am using a glass paint for this project, and this is one of my favorite kinds of paint because they are very easy to work with. They are liquid but they don't run all over the place. Using your chosen color, paint inside the line. So here, depending on the brand, the paint may be too liquidy. Mine is kind of liquidy and they tend to separate, so there are spots that are not colored. But no worries because I can always do the second coating and make the paint thicker and then fill the spots. If you want to do another coating, always let the paint to completely dry. Do this in every coating you make. The result is actually much better. Take all the materials needed for the window frame, then glue the four corners of the window and then let it dry. Once the glue is dry, take the acetate and measure where to exactly glue the short wood strip. Then glue the wood strip. Make two of this front window frame. Next, take the pieces for the back frame and assemble it. This time, you don't need the short wood strip in the middle, and we will use this to sandwich the acetate. Next, paint all four window frames with any color you like or any color that fits your wall. I painted mine with white just to be on the safe side. Then glue the wood frame that has the middle divider in front of the painted acetate. Then add the back frame behind the acetate. This way, when you put the printed scene, the acetate will not sit directly on the picture. And lastly, glue the printed scene behind the faux stained glass. Thank you for watching this tutorial. I hope you had fun and we'll soon make one. Don't forget to click the subscribe button and get notified for new videos. Bye bye and see you next Saturday.